The problem today in 2022 is that there's too much information and there's not enough humans to be able to make sense of that information to make it actionable, whether you're playing defense or you're playing simulated offense. But today we really rely on technology such as the D3 platform in order to do intelligent correlation and be able to establish actions that come off of triggers. These triggered events help us to be able to respond more accurately and consistently to some of our client needs.
SOAR and automation is important for VERSPRITE because we need to scale our teams not only in terms of people, but in technology. As we grow our services and onboard a lot of customers, data is exponential. So being able to ingest all of that data into a single platform and provide a level of automation to our level 1 and level 2 analysts is extremely important. D3 gives us that ability to give them a place where they can understand the events in a single platform and then triage them as they go along.
Having a vendor agnostic approach to the tooling that we chose that finally ended up being D3 was important for us, because the truth is we want to use D3 as much as we can to build up our operations and to build out automation that might just stay within the SOC or just might also involve other practices, right? So in order to do that, we needed to have the flexibility to do, in a way, customize it in the way that we wanted and it was useful for us. So if we were restricted to vendors, it would have been very complicated to grow and scale in a way that makes sense for us.
The decision to go with D3 was really simple. It was really on the focus of ingenuity, the integrations with other platforms that were pretty commonplace within our clients' technology stack, and really the commitment to improving the technology so that we could have greater automation, greater integration, and just greater decisioning that we need to do as security analysts for our customers.